Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close, don't patronize. Don't patronize, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. And you can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart and I'll feel the power, but you won't. No, you won't. So I got my chainsaw. Boy, you know it's gotta go. It's such a shame, y'all, that I ain't gonna be happy till these names fall. And I'm sitting on a stump, so I'll close my eyes, and then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, and I'll do what's right. Just give me till then to give up this fight, and I will give up this fight. But I got my chainsaw. Boy, you know it's gotta go. It's such a shame, y'all, that I ain't gonna be happy till these names fall. And I'm sitting on a stump. Love is shady, love is tragic. It's hard to bury the hatchet, but I can't make you love me. Just please don't leave me sitting on a stump. Happy 10th anniversary, Chainsaw! Sorry I missed it. And I have one question for you. Do you like steak and mashed potatoes?